Well, today's the big day. We're at Birdsong Barn. It's Saturday, March 22nd. Brianna and Chris are getting married. We're so excited. We couldn't have asked for a better groom for Brianna. She's waited for this for so long. She's my big sister, so she's ready to be married, and we're so happy for her. We're so thankful for Chris. Chris has really stepped up as a boyfriend, fiance, now to be husband to her. And aside from that, he's been a father to the boys, and for that, our entire family's eternally thankful. So we're just so happy to be here, and we're ready for a big day. We're gonna party!
Baby, it's been a long day, baby. Things ain't been going my way, you know I need you here. You clear my mind.
Amazing. This is just awesome. This is just, words cannot describe how beautiful it is.
The way you move me, it's crazy.
Today has just been excellent and surprisingly easy. I thought that I was going to be a nervous wreck and have a really hard time and be stressed, and I'm actually just at peace and at ease. And now I'm going to go get in my dress.
Come a long way, baby. You know I hope and I pray that you believe me when I say this love will never fade away. Oh, because you are the best thing. Yeah, yeah.
I just came up on my sister's phone.
Oh, is he over there? Wait.
Oh my gosh, look at how cute.
Going to the chapel and we're gonna get married.
So we're getting ready to do the first look right now. Chris and the boys just finished practicing pouring the sand so that they could get that down pat during the wedding. I think Chris right now is not quite feeling too nervous, but I'm pretty sure once he sees all those people there, he'll start getting a little on edge. But anyways, I just want to say, happy you guys are getting married. We've been looking forward to this for a long time, Lynette and I. So, we've really looked out for you guys and want to make sure that everything that we could do was there. And you guys really deserve this. You guys have worked really hard for this, and we love you guys.
Honey, I love you, and I can't wait to see you. I'm as excited as can be about this. Really, I kind of can't hold it in. I just can't wait to see you in your dress, to be honest. I think you're gonna look gorgeous, as you always do. But I don't know, I'm speechless, to be honest. I don't know. If you can't tell, I'm excited right now. She's been talking about the dress, and it's been hanging in the room for about 3 weeks to a month. And I can't wait to see it, but I couldn't open it. It's like it just has to sit there. That's not her getting close, is it? Oh my God. Grab my hand, beautiful woman. You're gorgeous.
Thank you.
You ready to do notes? Mm-hmm. Okay. You give me yours first. And I'm gonna read it.
Christopher, there are many reasons I thank God for you. When life seems grim and I need support, I can count on you to do your best to make the situation better. I admire your determination and dedication. Trust has been an issue for me, but the fears and anxieties are dying. The more I see your heart and great qualities, I know I have made the right choice in a life partner. I am forever grateful for the love and labor you have given to the boys. Their lives are enriched, and I know they will become men because of it. I promise to respect and appreciate you for who you are today and for who you become in the future. To pay attention to what satisfies you and to try to keep life exciting when I recognize the necessity. I will support your goals and can't wait to plan them with you. Here's to us. Love, Brianna.
That's beautiful. Brianna Marie, I entered this relationship with the hope that you may be my last girlfriend, or at least a great girlfriend. I am so happy to say that you are both. Now I enter this day knowing you are my first and only wife. I will promise I will not be lazy and always put in the work necessary to make sure that we make it and we last forever. When I say I do, I will truly mean it. I cannot wait to make our family everlasting Christ followers. I am so excited to enter this journey with you. I will love you always, Mrs. Stern. Love, Christopher. I love you.
Love, give me love like never before. 'Cause lately I've been craving more. And it's been a while, but I still feel the same. Maybe I should let you go. I'll fight my corner, and that tonight I'll call you after my blood. It's drowning in alcohol. No, I just wanna hold you. Give a little time to me. We'll burn this out. We'll play hide and seek to turn this around. Is the taste that your lips allow. My mind, oh, give me love, give a little time to me. Burn this out, we'll play hide and seek to turn this around. All I want is the taste that your lips allow. My mind, oh, give me love. My mind, oh, give me love. My mind. Oh, give me love, oh, my mind. Oh, give me love, my mind. Oh, give me love, my mind. 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 Give me love,
Christopher, I am so excited. I can't wait to be your wife and celebrate our day, our special day. I'm really looking forward to it. I love you.
Give me love, my mind. Give me love, my mind.